Aside from oxalic acid, the PNP-Crime Lab is looking into other possible causes behind the death of victims in the milk tea poisoning incident in Manila. Darlene Basingan tells us why.
Blood and gastric samples from victims of the milk poisoning incident in Sampaloc, Manila were found positive of oxalic acid, according to PNP Crime Laboratory Director Police Chief Superintendent Teresa Ann Cid. According to Cid, victims Zane Dagohoy and William Abrigo suffered wounds in the throat and intestines, though they cannot determine the primary causes of their death until they have completed the histopathological examinations on the two.
The cause of death can be known after the result of the histopathological examination, which is part of the autopsy. That actually requires about a month for the completion of the examination.
The general explained that the lethal dose of oxalic acid is at 9.5 to 10 micrograms. She also added that 40 milligrams of oxalic acid, or an equivalent of 1 capsule, is fatal to the human body, which is 4 liters of blood. A pinch of oxalic acid, however, is enough to kill an infant. She further said that oxalic acid is extremely dangerous, especially because it is readily available in groceries and sari-sari stores as bleaching or cleaning agents. Thus, parents are advised to keep them away from children's reach.
Sana mailayo natin ito sa mga bata at sa kusina dahil ginagamit po ito sa ating mga lababo. Ang oxalic acid ay isang poisonous substance. So, nakakalason ito at nakakamatay.
The oxalic acid is a white crystalline material that is hardly noticed when mixed with food since it is odorless and dissolves easily in water. PNP Crime Lab has advised that if a person has taken it by accident, he or she should be brought immediately to a hospital. Meanwhile, Lloyd Abrigo, the son of Ergochas owner, has been formally sued at the Manila prosecutor's office with 2 counts of murder and frustrated murder for the death of his father William and the customer Zane Dagohoy. Lloyd is said to be the one who allegedly brought the poisonous chemical into the milk tea shop as identified by a helper. Darlene Basingan reporting for Y News.